Today we're going to be discussing the zoom, scaling and layout features of this machine. Starting with the zoom feature. So as you can see here, there's the copy ratio, and here you can adjust the size of the original you want to copy. So this is usually for when you want to increase the size of the document that you want to copy or decrease the size when it comes out. So here I'm going to be increasing the size of this small document. I'm going to be increasing it by 40%. I'm going to select the paper size as A4. As you can see, I have increased the ratio of this document to a much larger size. Okay, now we're going to be looking at the preset enlargement and reduction. This is usually when you want to change one preset size to another. For example, an A4 to an A3 or vice versa. Now I'm going to be decreasing the size of this A3 document to an A4. So I place this A3 document here in the document feeder, and I'm placing this A4 document here in the bypass tray, and it has to be fed like this in portrait, not landscape mode. Next, I select the copy ratio here. As you can see, here is the option to reduce it to 71% A3 to A4. Click on OK. As you can see, this document has been scaled down from A3 to fit in an A4 paper. Next, I'm going to be showing you the demo of independent XY scaling. This is usually when you have like a distorted document, you want to specifically increase the width or the height of the document you're going to copy. For example, I'm going to be increasing the height of this invoice while copying. I go to copy ratio, go to others, and these two options are the options where I can scale the size. So I'm going to be increasing it or decreasing it by percentage. So what I want to do is increase the height. So according to the instructions here, you see, you can increase the height of the document. So I'm going to be increasing it vertically. Select the paper size you want to copy it to. As you can see, the document has been stretched by 10%. Now I'm going to be showing you margin shift. This is usually when you want to shift the margin, for example, to maybe set some space for binding. So here I'm going to show you this test with this document. So I go to the edit and color option, select margin adjustment, and here according to how you want the shift to be, you can set it. For example, I want to shift it by 5 mm here. OK. As you can see, as specified in the earlier diagram, the margin has been shifted by 10 mm from the left. Now I'm going to be showing you centering. As you might have noticed earlier, most of the documents that came out while copying were not on its center, right? So to make the document that you want to copy come on its center, you have to enable the centering option. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. For example, I'm going to make this check copied in the center of an A4 paper. So I go to edit and color options and enable centering. Go back and select it to full color and select the document size I want to copy to. Click on start. As you can see, the check has somewhat printed on the center of this A4 document.